welcome to Trent Villa. It's situated just as you come into Egloskerry and enjoy some far-reaching countryside views as well as plenty of parking. It's a period property that offers 3 double bedrooms on the first floor, and then on the ground floor you've got a separate living room as well as dining room, both with character fireplaces, kitchen and utility room, so plenty of space, and the garden is a good size as well. There's been plenty of improvements made to this property, a heating system, a new roof and windows, but it could do with just some finishing off, so great place for any buyers to put their home on their property. In the meantime, have a look at the video, and if you like what you see, then let's arrange a viewing for you.